This is Sergey from ProperSoft, and today we will convert a QIF file to QFX format and import into Quicken. We will use QIF to QFX converter from ProperSoft. Go to ProperSoft.net to download this converter. Once downloaded and installed, start QIF to QFX and locate your QIF file. We will use a sample QIF file to show how to convert. Once the QIF file is loaded, review transactions, review amounts, review payee, and memo and check numbers. And on the right side, set INTU.BID number, which defines bank label you see during QFX import. You can click the lookup button to locate your bank. Make sure that the bank label you choose is allowed for your account type. Some bank labels allowed only for bank accounts like checking, savings, credit line. Some banks allowed for all account types, including credit cards. Some are allowed only for credit cards. Some are not allowed at all. So make sure that you are choosing bank that is allowed for your account type. If you cannot find any bank that even sounds close to what bank you need to import into, you can keep default value 3000, which is Wells Fargo Bank, which allows all account types. Before converting, you have to set the account type, you have to set the account number, and if you convert for multiple accounts, make sure to use different account numbers. When you convert, like you have QIF file for checking account and you have QIF file for credit card, then make sure that you use different account numbers when you convert these different QIF files. You have to set currency to US dollars for Quicken. If your accounting or personal finance software imports QFX files, it may allow different currencies, and you can set it here. You can set end balance, you can set bank ID, you can set branch ID, if your accounting software requires. There's other settings like if you want to set memo, get memo from name or allow empty names. Is for cases when sometimes QIF files are incomplete, they have only description, then they don't have payee, or they have payee but they don't have description. In such cases, you want to make your QFX file complete so Quicken can import it. Once all settings are reviewed, transactions are reviewed, click the convert button to create a QFX file. You can choose the file location, you can change the file name. Click Save to create a QFX file. Now switch to Quicken and click File, File Import, webconnect.qfx file. Choose Created QFX file. Now you have to choose existing account, or you have to import into new account. For Quicken, you can do either thing, because later if you import into new account, you can then cut and paste or move transactions under another account. Some users choose to import into separate account, call it import account. So all transactions are imported into that account, where you review transactions and then move them under another, like actual account, final destination account. Some users choose to import right into existing account. Make sure to back up your Quicken file before any import, just in case you realize later some data is wrong, something is not imported where it should be imported. You can quickly go back by using your backup copy. And for this demo, we will just import into new account. So let's say we will import, click import just to confirm as offered, and the file is imported. And this is our new account. This is our transactions for review. And that's it. You can say accept all, and these transactions are in the register. So let's say you already have account that you used before to import the QFX files, different QFX files, or use account to import directly from your bank. So now your bank does not allow it anymore, and you want to import a QFX file. So what is important that your QFX, your account in Quicken are online linked. What you need to do is you have to unlink it first. So let's simulate that. Let's change the account number to another account and create a new QFX file. So click convert, click same. Now we go here, let's delete these transactions and delete. And then so we have this checking account, and then let's try to import a new QFX file. As you can see, it offers check-in 2 with Wells Fargo Bank to create a new account, and then we can choose to link into existing checking account. So as you can see, we can do that. The file QFX file is imported into existing account. We can review transactions before adding them to the register. We can select specific transaction and delete or accept, or we can match it to vendor record. To it's called not matching, but to adjust payee name to what you usually have in your file. That's it. Thank you for watching.